I gave you 5 rounds to solve your accuracy problems. Could you do it? Well, most people couldn't because they don't know what's causing their inaccuracy. In today's video, we're going to take these 5 rounds and I'm going to show you how to improve your accuracy in just 5 rounds. So here's the problem. Most people are shooting low, low left, high right, and they just don't know what's causing it. So in today's video, we're going to set up a target and give you identification of what you're doing wrong. I think this is the biggest thing I could give a student is the education on what's causing low and left, what's causing all the issues you're having with inaccuracy. And if we can start identifying that, we can start solving it. You can use this video as part of your education. So when you see you're shooting low and left, see yourself shooting something weird, maybe one high, one low, one right, one left, you got to know what's causing it. In this video, it's not going to take 100 rounds. It's not going to take 50. It's not going to take 20. It's only going to take 5. And in these 5 rounds, we're going to identify some accuracy killers. And if we can identify the accuracy killers, we can identify most people's problems. Okay, so what we're going to do to set this up is we're going to do a 3-inch circle. We're going to put it out at 3 yards. We're going to work on 5 shots. We're going to do 1 shot at a time, but we're going to do 1 fundamental concentration at a time. And we're going to show you the drill itself. We're going to shoot it. Try to shoot it. You know the camera's on, so you know how this works. But we're going to work our fundamentals as much as possible. Okay, I've got the placard on there. We're going to back it out. 3 yards. I've got 5 rounds in the magazine. We're going to do 1 shot at a time, working on 1 fundamental at a time. As I talked to you many times before, I think the trigger press is one of those fundamentals that's got to be on top of your list. The trigger pull or anticipation causes a lot of accuracy loss. So the very first one we're going to do is 1 round. We're going to get the best trigger press we can. Remember, all the other fundamentals are coming, but we want to make sure that we kind of put the whole system together. That means a good stance, a good grip, a good sight picture, a good trigger press, and put it all together. You consistently will be more accurate with the pistol. So let's go ahead and do this first one, which would be the trigger control. And when I say control, I mean a continuous press, not a pull. People always ask, John, what's the difference between a press and a pull? A press is an unknown, where a pull is a known. In other words, when you pull the trigger, you know the gun's going to fire. When you press the trigger, you don't know the gun's going to fire. It's sort of just a surprise shot to you. And this is kind of what we're looking for in this first trigger press. All right, so what we're looking to do is get the gun, get a good grip, turn our chin, get up over the pistol as best we can, get that trigger press down to a science, just concentrate and let the weapon cut. All right, so that one there is trigger press. Now let's go ahead and mark this. Come down to trigger press. Okay, that's the first one. Let's push it back out. So as you saw there, that bullet was impacting exactly where it was aiming, because I had my head turned, I was using a nice smooth trigger press. So let's go set the next one up. So I think the next one is pretty important for us. We've talked about it a lot, but front sight focus is the next thing we need to work on. We really need to keep a weapon level and concentrate on that front post. What we're looking for mostly is your front post to be crystal clear and your back sight and the sight itself to be a little bit blurry. So let's go ahead and set this up. All right, got the weapon in my hand. We're gonna repeat that trigger press we did, and this time we're adding in front sight focus the best we can. Concentrate on our sights. Keep both eyes open. Work on a nice, smooth trigger press. All right, there's trigger press. That's that one surprise for me. There's front sight focus. When you start concentrating on your front sight only, making sure the pistol's level, automatically your groups go from tight to tighter, right? Because now we're just concentrating on one surface. Our brain can't concentrate on the back sight, the front sight, and the target itself. When you do target focus, you get wide groups. When you front sight focus, you get tighter groups. Okay, number 3 bullet. We're at the 3rd bullet now. We're going to work on a decent grip. That decent grip is so important for us. We got to remember, not only are we gripping with our hands, but we're driving with our chest, gentlemen. Ladies, we're pushing and pulling. But we need to keep the weapon level as much as possible. We need to put that front sight focus together, and now we need to have that good trigger press. 3 of the fundamentals that'll make you accurate. This is the cool thing about this drill. It's giving you each one of these and you're able to see them. You're going to find your weakness somewhere along the line here. You're either going to have them all weak or a couple of them weak. And then if you understand which one is the weak one, it's going to make you a lot better shooter. All right. So this is the 3rd shot. We're working on 3rd shot. And now we're going to work on a good, strong grip, a 60-40 grip. I remember you guys to drive your chest muscles just a little bit. All right, here we go. Push it out in front of us. Get a good grip. Find your front sight focus. Concentrate on a decent trigger press. Turn your chin. Cut the shot. All right, there we go. You notice I'm not rushing any of these shots. I'm going as slow as I can to get that trigger press back. It's going to make a big difference. There is a decent grip. Decent grip, right? 60-40, driving my chest muscles, keeping the weapon level and in control. Now these last 2 together, it's going to reset, and number 5 will be come back to the trigger and cut it. So let's go ahead and put this together. Now this is going to be a number 4 and number 5 shot together. You'll audibly hear the reset, and you'll watch me cut the shot for the 2nd time. And what the other one is more, number 5 is more of a control speed. We cut the shot, we set the reset, and we cut the shot again. And those should be right in that same area there. All right, so I've got the weapon in my hand. I've got my everything working for me. I've got a good grip, a good trigger press, a sight picture. We're going to bring it out in front of us. We're going to look through the weapon, cut the shot, bring it back to reset, let the gun come forward just a little bit, cut the next shot. That gives you 5-shot drill, guys. 5-shot drill. And there's those 2 right there. Number 4. Number 4 is trigger. reset. And number 5 is speed control. So let me set the camera back and we'll explain all this. So those fundamentals you need to work on is trigger press, front sight focus, and grip. Then we do trigger reset and another quick shot fast behind it, or speed control. Each one of these will cause you some inaccuracy. I didn't do too bad today because obviously I went slow, and this is what you're supposed to do. But slow can identify problems for you. Let's just say in trigger press, your bullets are impacting lower than they should. You're most likely not having a front sight focus situation, as well as pulling the trigger versus pressing the trigger. If your bullets are impacting low, you could be dipping your head to the gun instead of having the gun to your line of sight. There are a lot of identification things that can happen when you run this drill. This is not a speed drill. This is a just cut the shots in a smooth control. This is a control drill, I guess we would call this. The 5-shot accuracy drill is something you don't need anything but a white piece of paper and a button there, but it's going to help you truly identify some of the problems. This is why we put together these programs for you. We put together this channel for you. We put together the HTS Skool Community together for you, because all of this stuff is here for your education. Shooting a pistol, you have to do it. You can watch as many videos if you want, but if you don't go to the range and start shooting on a regular basis, videos can only take you so far. That's why we invented the Skool Community. The Skool Community, which is a link down below, is a firearms training academy online. We have videos, we have courses, we have books, we have ebooks, we have classes. Matter of fact, when you get into the HTS Skool Community, you get a 4-week masterclass that breaks down your fundamentals just like this. First week is about fundamentals. Second week is about sight pictures. The third week is about control. And it gives you those weeks, and that's absolutely free. Get into the Skool Community. 7-day free trial. Then it's $7 a month. But for $7 a month, you're receiving a $99 masterclass for free. An ebook about Master Your Handgun in 4 weeks for free. 7 days. You don't like it, go. But in those 7 days, if I improve your accuracy, all I ask you to do is join. Stay with us. Maybe upgrade. Because when you upgrade to premium and VIP, you get that monthly call turned into a weekly call. That means every week you get a call with us. We go through fundamentals, we give you a drill, we go through techniques, we ask you questions. It's like having a little firearms instructor in your back pocket. You know, take advantage of what I'm giving you guys. Some of our members that come to this range, they pay a lot of money for what I'm giving you for $7. But I figure if I give enough value, if I give enough education, if I give enough to you guys, you'll compensate me in the future for this information. Matter of fact, I would highly recommend you click the link down below, get signed up, and start following us and getting your education down to a science. You don't suck at shooting, you suck at having a system. And in the HTS system, I'm going to give you that. I'm going to give you the fundamentals for you can shoot like that. Shoot like that on a regular basis. Now, do I shoot like that every day? No. We all have the good and bad days. Today was a good day for me. Today was a good day for me. But If I were to shoot bad, I would have known what I did wrong. My question to you, do you know what you're doing wrong? Are you sick of shooting low and left? Are you sick of can't figure it out? Are you tired of wasted ammo? If so, the HTS system is for you. Want to know more about the HTS system? We have a accuracy webinar this Thursday night at 8 p.m. Links down below. Costs you nothing, but it gives you a little bit more about the HTS, and it gives you a little bit more of why you're missing at the range. I'm John, the firearms instructor. I specialize in you, and I truly, truly appreciate you being here. If you found some value today in this video and you want to try to support me the best way you can, go ahead and click that link, that subscribe, and that bell button, and every time we open a video like this, you'll be the next to know. Until next time, God bless, be safe, and remember, you are your first line of defense. Only 5 bullets, and I can solve your accuracy. Are you ready?